Today's video is brought to you by the letter A, the number 2, tacos that talk, and poop emojis that smell like chocolate? Huh? That's kind of weird. Alright, enjoy the show! Yay!
It's Kinder Playtime. Jacob. Emily. Chloe. It's a toy party. Yay! Welcome to Kinder Playtime. Welcome to Kinder Playtime.
Welcome back, everybody! Woo! What do we have today, guys?
Sparkly eggs.
Sparkly eggs? No way! What do you think's inside of them?
Surprises.
You think they're surprises?
Yeah.
No way! We never do surprises on this channel.
Yes, we do. There's bunnies inside.
There's bunnies? You think there's bunnies inside?
Bunnies.
Do you think there's bunnies inside?
I think there's, no.
No bunnies, huh?
No.
All right. Well, do you want to open them?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yeah.
I don't know, guys. I don't think they want to open them. All right, Jake, go and open them. Go and open them. Whoa! Surprises everywhere. Wow, this is new. It's peeking. Look, it's peeking at us. Wow, that's cool. What? You got one too? All right, we got more babies.
Yeah, baby surprises.
Oh, nice, nice. What the heck is this?
What?
It's a taco. And a treasure chest? Huh. Huh.
What the heck?
What? What? What's he doing? What's he doing?
He wiggles.
Oh, he's talking. Hello. How are you? Is that what he's doing? Cool, we'll look at him more in just a minute. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be fun. All right, let's organize and let's get started.
Yes.
Okay, Chloe, what you opening up first? What the heck is that? It's peeking at us.
Yeah.
It's peeking. What are those things called? Can I see? Here, let me see. These are called springlings. I just saw these. We got all these surprises today at Target. It says bounce, fly, and surprise. So that's gonna be interesting. Okay, Emily, what are you gonna pick first?
I think I'm gonna do this fashion. You got things going.
You wanna do this Fashions?
Yeah.
It's a Hello Kitty Fashions.
Yes.
Yeah, it's so
We
cute.
haven't done them in a long time.
I know we haven't, so there's that one. Okay.
That's what I'm gonna get. Dad, I think I'm gonna get the Fortnite loot chest.
A Fortnite loot chest. Nice. We're gonna have to see what's inside these. Does it come? It says 4-inch figures, and it looks like you can get a bunch of different things. So let's check them out. All right, let's open them, get them ready, and then we will show everybody.
Yeah!
All right, let's see what's in this treasure chest. I'm excited.
It's hard to open.
Can you get it?
I think so. Yep, I got
Okay.
it.
All right, pour them out. Let me see what you got.
Flooring.
Oh, it came with floors. That's interesting.
Yeah.
And then lots of guns, huh?
Oh yeah.
All right, Emily, what did you get in there?
I got Hello Kitty.
You got Hello Kitty?
Again, there's a duplicate.
That's a duplicate?
Yeah, we got her before. Yeah.
That's okay. Can you see how squishy she is?
Yeah, she's not very sweet. Hello. Hello, my name is Hello Kitty. I love you so much. How do you talk like that? I don't know. It's so fun, though.
So here's our Hello Kitty. Good one. And then this thing, it looked like there was a button on it, like right here.
Yeah.
Is that how you make it go?
Yeah.
All right, you ready? Push it.
Push it. Whoa!
Oh.
Whoa!
Whoa, is right.
It's a pig.
It's a little piggy.
It's a little piggy.
Can you put them back in and let them launch again?
Yeah, you can put it.
All right, try it. Here, yeah, put it in.
You can do it again.
You can do it, really? That sounds, oh, that's awesome. Okay, try it again. You ready?
I hear it's gonna pop out. What?
Ah!
That's awesome.
That's cool. Yeah, it's like a spring in there. I feel it.
You got pig.
Oink, 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 oink.
This is so cute.
Okay, you want to do it one more time?
Yeah.
All right, push it down.
What happened?
Okay, round two. What's it gonna be, Chloe? All right, the baby surprise. We love these so much. So much. Okay, so you're gonna open that one. Did you want to open this one?
Yeah.
I think that's what you told me a minute ago. Micro Zoo. Cool.
I'm gonna get this.
You're gonna open the Squishums. What the heck? Is this poo emojis?
Yep.
Yeah. Man, they keep making poo. Oh my gosh. It says, I'm not stinky. I smell like chocolate.
What?
Find the rare magical unicorns. Feel the squish. How lovely. All right, let's open them up.
Yeah.
All right, Jacob, let's start with you.
I don't smell stinky.
I smell like chocolate. Oh, it looks like a little duck, a little chick. Cheep, 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 cheep. Yep, I smell like chocolate.
And she actually does.
Feel the squish.
And she actually does.
Yep, they smell like chocolate. That's kind of weird.
Kind of weird. Let's open this.
All right, go ahead. What's inside? These are new.
Ooh.
Micro
They're
Zoo.
like a little, oh, look at that.
What is it? Is it a little monkey?
It's a little squishy.
Oh yeah.
Are you my poo?
What?
Am I
No.
your poo?
Yes. Okay, Emily got something called like an aardwolf. I don't know what that is.
Yeah.
Maybe, yeah, like a wolf. Oh! We'll have to see if we can find a picture of an aardwolf and put it on like right here. Okay, so if we find one, we'll put it right there. All right, Chloe, unwrap your baby. What's inside?
She got the mermaid.
What?
Yeah, I did. This one's a girl. 'Cause
Oh,
it's a mermaid.
that's super cute.
This one's a girl, definitely. It's a girl.
It's her bottle. That's yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Well, her eyes are closed right now. Let's wait until we open up Emily's and we will open up their eyes together.
Yeah.
That would be super cute. But she's like a whale and she is gorgeous. I love this one.
I want my bottle.
Want your bottle? Here you go.
I do want bubble. Bubble.
Okay, let's do our next surprise. Emily, which one did you want?
The pop.
This one? You want the springlings again?
Bubble.
Okay, there's yours. Chloe, what do you want to pick? Ooh, you want to do the Wonder Zoo?
Yeah. Micro Zoo.
Oh, Micro Zoo, sorry. All right, Jacob, what did you want to do? All right, cool Dragon Ball Z character.
Do you know who I'm hoping to get?
Who are you hoping to get?
Goku.
What was that? What are you doing?
Okay.
You guys are silly.
What's that one?
All right, Chloe, go ahead. What'd you get?
Oh, what
Is it a fish?
That looks like a fish.
You see the fish? Can I see the fish?
It's not a fish.
Another fish?
Look.
I don't know. It looks like a dinosaur with a
It's
tail.
a dinosaur. A dinosaur and a fish.
Well, we'll have to look at that one in just a second. All right, Jacob, which Dragon Ball Z character did you get?
Looks like I got Piccolo.
Oh, cool. What is he doing?
He's singing.
He's singing. Hello, hello. I am singing a song
This is
about you. Kinder Playtime is awesome. This is cool. I like these. I want to add these up to our collection.
Yep.
Nice. All right, Emily, you ready? Pop it. Oh my goodness. You got me.
Yeah, dog. Yeah, dog.
Is it puppy?
Puppy dog.
Oh, look at that puppy.
Puppy dog. No, don't put it in there.
Hello, everybody.
I want to launch myself.
You're gonna launch Piccolo?
Yeah, let's launch Piccolo.
I don't know if it's gonna work. No, because they have springs. See?
Oh, come on. Now he's stuck in. Oh, there we go.
You wanna launch him again?
Yeah, this
Puppy, go!
Pumpy's gonna fly.
Puppy's gonna fly.
Pumpy's gonna fly. Pumpy! Pumpy.
Oh, you got me. I call you George. Hello.
No!
Hello, my name is George. So apparently
It's a lizard.
it's a lizard.
Yeah, it wasn't a fish Or a dinosaur.
No.
Or a dino
Well,
fish.
lizards are kind of like dinosaurs, right?
I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, everybody.
Whee!
Okay, Emily, what's next for you?
Baby.
The baby.
Baby.
Right, we can wake the other one up too. Oh no. All right, Chloe, what you gonna pick? Oh, squish the lid. Squish the lid. All right, Jake, what you gonna pick? Ooshie bag tags. Oh, we love Ooshie's.
Just find the limited edition golden Batman.
Cool, let's find him.
Oh,
Ready,
these things are-
set, open. All right, what baby did you get there, Emily? I hope it's a girl.
And it's a girl because it looks like a girl.
Oh my gosh, that's cute. These are so cute. I love these.
I can see pink inside.
I don't know what it is though. Is it like a
It's
mouse?
a bear. It's a bear.
Oh, it's a bear. It could be a bear.
Yeah, it's a bear. Let's get
Yeah.
up the other one.
All right, you want to open their eyes?
Yeah.
All right, let's open their eyes after we open all these surprises, and then we will open their eyes. How about that? Perfect. Okay, so here's our cute little baby. All right, we'll come back to you. Bye, everybody. I love you so much. Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and like this video because Kinder Playtime is awesome. Yeah. Okay, come back to the baby. All right, Chloe. Yeah, what you getting there, Chloe?
Got this.
What is that? Oh, it's a jukebox.
Yeah, I saw it. It's right on here.
It's a jukebox. Can I see how squishy it is? Squishy, squishy, squishy. Can I see it?
It's kind of squishy.
It's kind of squishy. Aw, it's cute. Cute little smile. Squish. Whoop. Squish. Whoop.
Squish.
Ah! Cool. All right, Jacob, what did you get? Come on, Batman. Oh my goodness. You got it, dude. You got the limited edition golden Batman. Holy cow. I love it.
Oh my gosh, I was so lucky.
You are so lucky. That is so cool. Are you gonna put? You can't breathe.
No.
You're that excited. You're gonna put it on your backpack?
Yes.
I would too. That's
Yes.
amazing.
I am Batman. The golden one, actually.
Are you girls ready to wake these babies up?
Yeah!
Yeah. All right, let's get her out of this. She's so cozy though. Oh, she's got a bow. Oh my goodness, that's adorable. Look at that.
bow.
You did. You did. Okay, time to wake up, baby. Time to wake up.
What kind of color does she have?
I don't know. Let's find out. Oh, it's blue.
Blue eyes.
Aw, so cute.
Yeah.
Yeah, cute baby blue eyes. Oh, look at her. Yeah, I'll show her in just a second. Let me get all these eyelids off.
Yeah.
I'm taking her eyelids off. There you go. Look at that.
Oh,
Oh, and it's got blonde hair. The baby has blonde hair. So
It's still a little
cute.
bit.
It looks like Chloe.
Yeah, Chloe.
Yeah, this is baby Chloe.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? All right, let's do the other one. Hello. All right, let's pull this baby out. There, just like so. Okay, and it looks like we have like this, yeah, kind of like strawberry blonde hair.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Let's see who we got. Blue eyes.
Nice.
Yay, blue eyes, just like you guys.
Probably because she lives on the ocean.
What color are my eyes?
Brown.
Oh, see, that's things people didn't know about me. I have brown eyes. I have hazel eyes. All of the kids have blue eyes, and I have hazel eyes.
Even Mom has.
Mom has blue eyes, yeah.
You have hazelnut eyes.
I have hazelnut eyes.
still a little
I have
bit.
Nutella eyes. Is that what you're saying? Oh, there she is. So cute. All right, shall we see what pattern they have in their diaper?
Yeah.
All right, let's take their diapers off. Oh my goodness, what is? Did you squeeze their heads?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here.
Bath time.
It's bath time. Oh my goodness, who's in the bath? It's Elsa and Anna. Yeah, there they are. Okay, you ready to go swimming?
I'm excited.
Hello, let me in.
Oh.
Oh, no. Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh, that was close. That was so close.
There's
Hello, everybody. We're taking a bath. I wonder what we have on our diapers.
Yeah, I have hearts. Can I see? One has hearts and one has shells.
Oh, you see it?
I have hearts.
How's bedtime going, guys?
Hey, it's our daddy. Hi, daddy.
Hi.
We're splashing. We're splashing.
I'm splashing. Woo, woo. Let's stop. Okay, we'll just wait.
Hi, Daddy. Hi.
Get wet.
Okay, let's get a closer look at those diapers. We have hearts in this diaper.
And I'm doing my shells.
And yours is shells.
Hey, we're doing the splits. They're doing the splits. I'm doing the splits. Wait, stand up and dance. Naked. You naked.
All right, kiddos, what's next? What do you got? Oh yeah, pulling out the taco. We're gonna have to find out what he does in just a second.
I think I'll do this.
Squish delish. And what do you got? What is this, Chloe?
Smashing.
Ooshies. Whoa, 13 collect. It has Poppy on it.
That's the limited
And it's got Shrek.
edition. Poppy's the limited edition.
Oh, it is. Ooh, cool. Let's see what we get.
I'm excited to open the Ooshies instead.
You're gonna open those instead of the other ones?
Yeah.
All right, 2 Ooshies. Here we go. Chloe, what did you get?
Got this green
It's a
guy.
green guy?
No, it's a green girl.
Is it a girl? I can't tell from here.
It's a girl because it has a braid.
Okay, okay. What did you
also
get?
brown.
What did you get, Emily?
The same one.
You got the same one?
Duplicate.
Duplicate!
Yeah.
Best friends forever! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Wreck-It Ralph. And that's Fiona off of Shrek, right?
Yes.
Nice. And they glow in the dark?
Yeah. All right, guys. All right, you ready for this?
Yes, I'm ready.
Everybody be quiet.
Okay, ready.
Hello. Are you Verona?
Are you Verona?
This button right here doesn't do anything.
I don't know. Oh, I have an idea. Let me see. Let me see. It might do something. I think it does this. Let me see. Hold it down. Hello. That's what it does. That's what it does. Okay, you ready? Ready one more time?
Yeah.
Kinder Playtime is the best. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Oh, this is funny. Okay, you want to say something? All right, Jacob, you say something first. You ready? And go.
Blah 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 blah.
All right, Chloe, you ready?
I love you. My turn.
Okay, wait for the beep. You ready?
I love Kinder Playtime because it has so many toys. Whee!
This is fun. I like it. Okay, what's next, guys? Whoa, what is this? Whoa, wow, wow, lots of things. What is this one? How to Train Your Dragon surprise egg.
And you can see his eyes.
Oh, you can. Hello. We need to go see that movie. It just came out.
Yeah.
All right, we got a Squish Delish and, oh, of course, Disney Princess. We love these so much. I know we have 4 of them so far, and hopefully we won't get any duplicates. We'll just get the ones we want. All right, let's open them. All right, Emily, which Squish Delish did you get? Ooh, what is this? It's an alien. Hi, everybody.
I'm an alien.
I'm a UFO. I'm going to fly.
UFO.
And for some reason, I have a country accent.
What the heck?
All right. Ooh, egg. Open the egg.
There's an
Open that egg.
A green dragon.
A green dragon. Here, let me see.
Hi, green dragon.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm a green dragon.
You came out of
I'm
the
a
building.
dream dragon. I'm a dream dragon. Hello, everybody.
I'm a dream dragon.
All right, Chloe, what did you get in yours? It's a princess hoodie. Is it a duplicate? Is it a duplicate?
No, it's Jasmine.
Yeah, Jasmine.
It's a princess dress.
All right. Yay.
Why are you here?
Why are we here? We're here to open you up.
Here's a princess, a pretty Jasmine princess for your
All right, and you got our display all set up?
This is for your collection.
Yeah, and it's not a duplicate.
Hey, I was right.
Yes.
I was right. It was Jasmine.
Good guess.
Good.
Okay, last surprise. What's in here? Ooh, Disney Princess. Oh, right, we got Adorables. We got, what is this thing? Oh, Feisty Pets. No way, is this like the unicorn? Oh yeah, I gotta love that. Okay. All right, and then we have the Disney Princess again. So hopefully we don't get another duplicate, or we don't get any duplicates. We haven't gotten any yet.
Yeah.
And then we have a Disney Doorables. Very cute. All right, you ready? Let's open now. Last surprise of the day.
Hey guys, I got a new pet.
You got a new pet.
See it.
Let's see your new pet. All right, it's our new pet. It's a friend. Oh my goodness, what's going on here? Ah! Poor little goat friend. Or is he? He's a creepy goat.
Creepy goat, scare us.
Are you saying it's like Isaac?
Yeah.
Yeah, Isaac's like, give me Weeby. That means he wants to watch TV.
Yeah. Wee wee.
I love you. Give me Weeby.
This is how he wants a song. Goo goo gaga.
Goo goo.
Gaga.
Give me Goo Goo Gaga. Yep, that's how he says it. I want to watch TV.
Open up the door.
All right, you ready? Open up that Doorables.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
What'd you get in there?
Oh, it's Daisy and Peter Pan. Peter Pan?
Daisy and Peter Pan? Here are our cute Daisy Duck and Peter Pan.
Yay.
I'm a real boy. I mean, wait, that's the wrong movie. I can fly. That one, right?
Yeah.
I can fly. Oh, I'm silly.
I can fly in the sky. It's a humongous gem.
It's a big gem. Which princess is in that gem? It's pink. What's going on?
Rapunzel!
Yay, my favorite!
Yeah, that's my favorite too.
Awesome!
There you go, there's your place. Pen. I like my to visit this one.
Oh my goodness, no duplicates.
No.
How amazing.
I know, I'm my favorite. And I love
Hey guys, I'm pretty sure Mandy Moore sounds way better than that. That's the voice of Rapunzel. Oh my goodness, she fell. Oh, where's my hair? Oh, there's my hair. There you go. Hey girl, thanks for trading bodies with me. Your dress is fabulous. Oh man, I love pink too. Yay.
Take my head off!
No! Don't take the head off! No! All right, guys, did you guys have so much fun today?
Yeah!
All right, are you ready for some shout outs?
Yeah!
Let's do some shout outs. Okay, Chloe, who is your shout out today?
Grayson.
Grayson. All right.
Nevaeh.
Nevaeh. Yes. And
Prodigy.
Prodigy. I think Prodigy and Nevaeh are brother and sister, which is awesome. I know. And then I have one. Kensington. I know. Thanks for being our friend.
Bye, everybody. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye!
Leave us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.